All right, I'm Austin, and this is my introduction to technology and society. A little bit about me. I'm from Mokina, Illinois. I went to Lincoln Ways High School, and Mokina is located just south of Chicago, about 20 miles, south suburb. A little bit more about me. I walked in graduation this spring, so once I complete my internship this summer, and along with this class, my senior seminar, I will be joining the workforce. For my internship, I am currently interning with Naperville's Police Department. It's already met and then exceeded some expectations I've had. We do a lot of training, a lot of practice, get to interact with the public, officers, and all that kind of stuff. Very, very fun internship. Highly recommended if anyone ever wanted to do it. Doesn't need to be for school credit, anybody can do one. And the reason I'm doing it is because my career path, I'd like to be a cop and join the law enforcement career. The overall goal is to be a homicide detective, but everyone's got to start out somewhere. And the one reason I chose this class because wanting to be a cop, everything I do is filmed, whether it's my body camera, my cop car, or people recording me. So this will give me a little new aspect on things, and hopefully I can use that in the workforce. Some interests I have is the World Cup or soccer, and luckily now I have the World Cup this summer. Waited a long 4 years. Unfortunately, the U.S. didn't make it, but we'll go from there. Also working out. I was a big soccer player growing up. Played through high school. Never played in college. Just some pickup games here and there. Kind of let myself go. But now I'm back in the gym working out, losing all that weight I put on and building the muscle. Also a big video game person. I've been playing since I was little on PlayStation 1 to Xbox 360, and now it's Xbox One. Can play all the games, sports, shooting games, adventure games, all that kind of stuff. And then another interest is just police work, because there's always something you can learn no matter what. So it just always is something that's intrigued me, and that's why I chose that career path. Well, one way technology can affect us and myself personally is, like I mentioned before, the body cameras. No matter what now, everything I do is recorded. So it's just something I have to live with throughout the rest of my life. Just be smart, do the right things, and go from there. And the other is sports. With the perfect example of the World Cup this summer, something new they put in is the video assistance referee. In my opinion, it ruins the game because it's stopping play to go back and look at things. It's just not how the flow of soccer is supposed to be. It is what it is, but it's definitely changing the games. And the World Cup started on Thursday and it's Sunday night, and it already has changed the outcome of several games. Whether it's calling a penalty kick, calling a goal that was very close and needed to be a closer look at. So it's definitely something that has changed us in many different ways, and it's just going to keep changing. So I'm looking forward for this class and seeing how everything else is going to go for the rest of the summer. All right, thank you.